"Hi guys, I fixed this bush cutter," and the owner said, "I'll pay you next month." That was 2 months ago. Here we are. I left the owner showing and knowing that it was working. But he phoned me a few weeks later and told me it's not working. I asked for a report and he explained he tried to start it and it won't start at all. I told him, let me have a look at it. There must be some explanation to why a perfectly running bush cutter doesn't want to start. First thing, I'm going to have a look at the fuel. I left him with a full tank of gas. Empty. Can you believe it? It is empty. This suck is playing games here. If it never ran, then we should still have a full tank of gas. It's empty. So we ran the bush cutter on an entire liter of fuel. Then it stopped and then he went whoop, it's broken. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look at the spark plug. Oh, it's wet and mucky. Everyone's wondering, why is there a sponge in this scene? Well, looks like there's cheese on there. This guy reckoned he's going to change the air filter and cut a piece off his mattress and stick it in there. That will explain why the spark plug is looking so dicey, black and oily, yucky. He successfully accomplished to suffocate this engine, and that is no good. Corruption took place here. Let's fill the tank up with some petrol and put the spark plug black and see what happens. Don't panic, I'm a mechanic. This thing is hungry. There we go. Full tank. Lappa full tankie.